Hi everyone! Today is our day 1 here in Siargao. Since we arrived late, we decided to eat lunch first before going out. If you haven't watched my previous video, this is a DIY trip and we will be staying here in Siargao for 4 days. Anyways, here's our itinerary for today. We will be going first to Katangnan Bridge since it is the first tourist spot namong Malabyan. So this is the view from our homestay to Tourism Road, and it only took us 8 to 9 minutes from our homestay to Katangnan Bridge. Don't worry guys, just like my previous video, I will be sharing you our overall expenses in this trip. So this is the Katangnan Bridge, or mas known as a farm bridge. So they have a lot of foods here, pero wala namin nag-stop since we are catching our time. So we just head up straight to Cloud9. So here's a Cloud9 guys, we paid 100 pesos per person for the entrance fee. This is also the reason why we head up straight here sa Cloud9, because we are catching the sunset. If you're planning to surf here in Siargao, I suggest you try it here sa Cloud9 since the offer is surfing lessons for only 500 pesos. Hi, vlog! Ayaw pagyawa-yawa sa vlog. Kay mabanta, hindi. Oy! It's our first dinner here in Siargao, and dani mi nagkaon sa Mama's Grill. It's around Tourism Road, General Luna. I recommend this place guys because it's affordable, and if you are on a tight budget, it is perfect for you good. And after dinner, we just went to Tourism Road to buy some souvenirs and pasalubongs. And the most awaited part, experience the nightlife here in Siargao. After drinking 1 bottle, we decided to go home na since it's already late. And we wanted to save our remaining energy for tomorrow's gala. Hi guys, good morning. So this is our day two here in Siargao. And we are going to Maasim River later and Coconut Bay and magpupungko. So magbalon kami, magluto rami para makasave.
But there are not so many fish. But the great view, when there are sunset, you take a temperature, it's very nice because they have their like horizon. You can see.
The stone?
When you face the sea, the sunset on nice.
Pero ano ba sila low tide daw dapat ba ito dito?
Kira ka magabi, mag-aarabay, untang mga bukong sa Coconut Road.
Kaya best daw siya ito dito pag low tide. Ha? Best daw ito na mapupungko pag low tide. Hi! Hi everyone! So today we are going to Magpupungko, Maasim River and then View Deck. So yeah, late na mi guys. It's already 9 a.m. and ang plan dapat magsayo mi dito but nalate og mata mga person kay nag nightlife pa kagabi, nag party pa. So yeah, you guys there.
Let's go!
Kamatag 260 each mo kung fair share na lang.
Tulo oy, tulo mong god. 300.
220
Ah,
each
gani.
mo. Kamara duha, 320 each. 200 and difference. Pero okay ra, kamara mas sa duha.
So guys, unfortunately, ang mapupungko karon is high tide already. Wala naman na sapon ang low tide, but we decided to check it pa din gapon para makita lang siya in person, even though medyo delikado na siya adtuan. Oh my god.